What's up, folks? Driving through some redwoods here in Northern California. Just imagine how old this one is over here to my left. That thing is like longer than my car. Wow, that'd have been a pretty old one there. Anyway, there's some old growth trees out here. A lot of beautiful redwoods. I think all this clean air, I'm having an allergic reaction to it. I mean, I'm so used to the polluted valleys of California to get out here in the nature with all these trees and I start coughing. But I just got through a little hike. It's about a mile long. So now I'm just going to drive through here and see what else I can find here on the on this access road. It's pretty cool. It's about 59 degrees out here. Lots of rain for this area. They get tremendous amount of rain. This is pretty much a rain forest up here with the amount of rain that they get. But it is absolutely beautiful. Bumpy out here, but that's right. I don't know what's all down this road. This is in Northern California, just south of Crescent City. Jedediah Park, I think that's how you pronounce it. Redwood Park, that is. It would be cool to camp up here. Been a couple nights up here, but I don't know if there's any camping sites up here. I think there is further into the park, but there's some big redwoods out here. And these aren't even the biggest ones California have. There's quite a few big ones down south of me and then some down in Southern California. But to tell you what, these are big enough. They're pretty old. Some of the trees out here in this park are upwards of 2,000 years old. So if you can imagine that, probably these aren't, but a lot of the big old growth and a lot of the ones deep into the park. I mean, 2,000 years old. That's just ridiculous. I mean, these trees, this whole area has seen quite a bit of earthquake activity over the couple thousand years that they've been alive. I mean, Cascadia Subduction Zone has had a major unzip on it every 300 to 500 years, so good possibility these things seen about three or four mega quakes up here. And this is definitely me in the severe category of shaking, so I don't want to have no earthquake while I'm up here. At least I'm safe from a tsunami. We're inland here a little bit. So anyway, just driving around, see what's over here.